Look at my new decoration, Mama.
Oh, wow, that's pretty.
Welcome to Tracing Factory.
Come on, let's go inside. It's raining.
Otherwise, it's going, oh, a disaster, what a mess, oh,
What did you do?
oh,
One. Next.
Great, now it's time to roll out the dough. Make sure that you get a nice even spread. If some of it is too thick, it's going to take longer to bake. And if some of it's too thin, it might burst.
I need to You want to see what it looks like in the Chelsea baking show? Let's go.
What's your favorite one?
Favorite one
It's very tricky, eh? I can't choose which one I like too because there's
this
lots.
one,
Like that one. It's a brown reward, ice cream, and chocolate syrup with cream flavors. Yep, baking soda. That's baking powder.
powder?
Yeah, that's baking soda.
Baking soda is a great addition to the cake. It makes it light, airy, and fluffy.
Milk. Is it milk?
We add 2 tablespoons of hot milk to the baking soda so that it will fizz.
And flour.
Yeah.
That's flour, all right. Just make sure you add the right amount.
Baking powder?
finally 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Great work. We're creaming the butter and sugar. It's really important. We want it nice and light and fluffy because then all the air is in it. And then we just add the other ingredients. We add the mashed banana, we add the baking soda with the milk, and don't forget that vanilla.
And the powder.
Cup high. Next. Yes, that's the sugar. Just measure 3/4 of a cup. Yes, that's the sugar. Just measure 3/4 of a cup.
So are you making the cake or the biscuits?
Biscuits.
Biscuits.
So, put me down gently.
Yes, put it down gently. Don't throw it away.
Great, now it's time to roll out the dough. Make sure that you get a
Oh,
nice
you can roll
even
it now.
spread. If some of it is too thick, it's going to take longer to bake. And if some of it's too thin, it might burn.
Not too thin. Oh, I like that. So think of this one. What? Oh, interesting.
Now set the bake time for 15 minutes. Now, while the biscuits are cooking, it's clean-up time. Make sure you put all those ingredients behind you for the next person. Gotta get everything nice and clean and tidy. That's fantastic. Well done, you. Now it's time to decorate. At home, I have to leave them there for a little while to cool down, but we can go straight to icing them. You've got a fantastic selection. You've got berry, vanilla, or chocolate, and you can even top them up with sprinkles.
Do you want to change it?
They're looking fantastic. Well done, you. Thank you so much for being part of the baking journey today. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time. You're taking the cookies that you left.
No.
Take one. How do
You took it off.
So putting the chocolate icing in. Are you going to put some sprinkles?
Yes.
Oh. You want to put vanilla icing or that's okay? Okay.
Congratulations, you've done a fantastic job. And you know what? Baking is such fun. Thank you for sharing it with me. I hope you've enjoyed your day and go home and happy baking.
Happy baking. Well done. You know how to bake it. It's a chocolate one, eh? It is a chocolate.
I did the chocolate.
You did.